Yo, what's going on, guys? Crypto Richie here hanging out with you today. And today we're going to quickly talk about a NFT project called the STAKER class. Now, all I know, and if there's anybody who has more knowledge on this, well, obviously a lot of people probably have more knowledge about this than me, but comment down below in the video because I'm trying to get the whole thing. I just found out about it like literally 2 days ago. Um, it's an NFT, based on the OG CryptoPunks, but for Hexicans, for the Hex ecosystem. So for any of you guys who know about Hex Coin, Pulse Chain, PulseX, all that, this is basically the NFTs, the CryptoPunks, PHUNKS, of this new coin. I mean, it's not really new. Hex is pretty much 2 years old now. But anyway, Pulse Chain is going to be Pulse Chain is going to be coming out soon, and these things are also going to get cloned on Pulse Chain. So where can you get these things? At X2Y2, this is what it looks like here. They do have them on OpenSea, but they're the wrong one. So don't buy them on OpenSea. I believe they're just Polygon clones. It's all Polygon here. So I'm not sure if you guys know more about this. Just comment down below. Let me know what's going on. Like, what's up with this Polygon clone here? There's like 3 different versions if we search. Look at this one here. We got 1,000 items. This is all Polygon. So I'm not sure what is going on here. 1,000 items. Obviously this is not it. So if you guys can confirm in the video, let me know what's going on. That'll be great. But X2Y2 is where you can get the original versions on Ethereum. Okay, and I actually picked up a couple over the past couple days, and these guys were talking about. Let me go back to Twitter here. Talking about how we might be. They're doing NFT giveaways. So obviously, boom, they're doing giveaways here. And they're saying that I just saw something where they said they're going to be doing an airdrop. Like everybody who owns one will be getting an airdrop. And I don't know if we're going to be getting an airdrop on the Pulse Punks, because I know we also have Pulse Punks coming out, right? Right here, Pulse Punks. Let me open this up for you guys. So we got Pulse Punks. I don't believe they are even out yet. Maybe they are. These are not Pulse Punks though, are they? Am I getting the colors? This is Pulse Punks right here. So I'm not sure why this is headed to. This is going over to. Yeah, guys, just be careful because I think this is the legit account. You guys just got to be careful. Whatever you do, I'll be making updated videos anyway, but just wanted to put this video out there and talk about it because I'm excited about it. I'm super bullish about it. I actually got into NFTs through OG Punks. So I was flipping OG Punks since February of last year, right before the big pump. I made a good amount of money on it. I had 5 OG Punks. Made some money, sold some for a little too cheap, but I did good on a few others. Let's just put it that way. So anyway, Pulse Punks, Hex Punks, guys, if you guys are watching the video, comment down below. Let me know the details. I haven't found the site out there where it gives all the details. Just a little bit of information on Twitter here. But yeah, I think this is going to be an interesting project moving forward. They're pretty cheap right now. You could pick up pretty much floors for like $45. Like if we click this guy here, and this is the place that you want to get us. Any of you newbies out there watching this and you just want to buy one instead of getting airdropped. I'm not sure how the airdrop works because there's 5,555 of these guys, and there's over 100,000 people staked in Hex. So I'm not sure if you guys are going to be giving these out to. I don't know how you guys are going to do it. So just kind of curious about that also. But if you guys just don't want to wait and you guys want to buy them, head down to, I'll have the link in the video description down below where you can basically just go and grab it. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Like, share, subscribe. We're going to be doing more videos, not just on NFTs, but we're going to be diving deep into, you know, Pulse Chain, all the projects on Pulse Chain. And most likely I'll be doing, you know, calls with other guys in the Pulse ecosystem, the Hex ecosystem. Going to be really cool. And yeah, so again, Tony here hanging out with you guys. Have a good day. Like, share, subscribe. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.